guys, it's BrittanyBearMakeup here and welcome back to my channel. As many of you get ready to go back to school or just get back to reality, I created a very simple, fun, easy, fresh glam for you guys for all the girls and boys who are going back to school and want to look poppin'. So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you with just a minimal amount of products how to create this gorgeous soft glam. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys could be a part of my bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep on watching as I show you guys a beautiful soft back to school makeup tutorial.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Hey Bear Fam, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a back to school makeup tutorial. I don't know about you guys, but when I went back to school on the first day, I wanted to look perfect, sun-kissed, bronzy, glam, effortless. I wanted to pretty much stunt on everyone who forgot about me during summer vacation. And today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to make yourself Instagram ready at school while you're falling asleep in your favorite classes. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by priming our face with one of the most amazing primers of all time. This is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So taking my little stick, I'm gonna go ahead and begin by quickly just priming my whole face. You're gonna see that it goes from kind of shiny to more of a matte finish, rolling this bad boy everywhere. Now what's really cool about this tutorial, guys, is that you can honestly do this any day. You don't have to be going back to school to use this tutorial. This is gonna be something very fresh, super easy, and you are just gonna look so good, guaranteed. I'm gonna go and start off with foundation. So for today, I'll be using a very brand new foundation to my YouTube videos. This is the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. Let's go ahead and get this on the face and see if it is worthy of the first day of school. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little pea size onto my hand. And then I'm gonna be taking a 108 brush from Makeup Forever, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to apply this onto my skin. Oh wow, it definitely is full coverage. Loving that. I'm gonna look so flat on the first day of school, even though I graduated like 10 years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. This says that it is a full coverage foundation, and this is actually my first time using it, so I kind of am giving you a review and a little demo at the same time. I wanna say that it is full coverage, but it's not crazy, okay? It's definitely buildable, so I would say that it could be very minimal coverage, and you can build it to like a really thick foundation as well. So this is a great foundation for the first day of school because depending on your likings, you can definitely build a coverage. I just filmed a tutorial with little stars under my eyes, and they're still there. They're like stained, so if you guys are confused why I have little star stains under my eyes, just watch my previous tutorial. All right, Bear fam, so we are looking 10 times better than half of our grade right now because we applied this foundation. I do have to say I really like this foundation, and I feel like it did a really good job giving me a beautiful coverage, perfect for the first day of school. So the next step is going to be to conceal our under eyes, and I tried to find a new product that I thought was going to be worthy of the first day of school, and there was nothing other than my favorite Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. And I'm going to be applying this underneath my eye to really just wake me up and make sure that I look nice and ready to slay. So starting with my under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this into the side of my nose as usual. Repeat the same step onto the other side. The bridge of my nose, as well as the lower part, my chin, and the corners of my mouth already look 10 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Gosh guys, I wish I could go back in time and do the first day of school all over again. I used to try so hard, but I never wore like full on makeup. I would just put on lip liner and like a little bit of eyebrow powder, and I just looked scary. So to go back in time and to do something like this, let me tell you, I probably would have enjoyed my high school experience because I was looking like a toe, guys, like a really little tragic toe. Can we just talk about how beautiful Shape Tape looks under my eyes? All right, so I'm just blending this in. Now, by the way, guys, I went ahead and listed all the links to the products that I'm using in the description below. So if you guys want to look fly the first day of school and you don't know where to find the products, I went ahead and listed those down below. Just click those links and your girl hooked you up. So the next step is gonna be to set our under eyes. And for this, I'll be taking my Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder, and I'm gonna be applying this with my sponge, packing this under my eyes and all the areas of my face that I just kind of wanna make sure it lasts throughout the day. This could be like a really fast makeup application. Don't have to worry too much about the placement of things. You just want to make sure that you're mattifying your face with the setting powder. That's really just going to make sure it lasts. Alright guys, so as we let our setting powder kind of sizzle in and we are getting ready to kind of just finish off this very simple back to school look, I'm going to be bronzing my cheekbones. And for today, I'll be using a very affordable product. This is the new Wet n Wild Bronzer Color Icon. So this is in the shade Queensland and it's a really rich dark cocoa brown, I would say. I'm going to go in and just kind of contour out my cheekbones and make sure that I'm chiseled from every angle. So just blending it out on my cheekbone, bringing it around the rim of my face as well. Nothing too precise or too structured, just making sure that I'm adding that warmth to my face so I don't look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Back in the day when I used to do my makeup for high school, I would try out concealer every now and then, but I would literally look like a raccoon. Didn't blend it in, it was never by color. Let's just say, it was not that cute. Alright Bear Fam, so the next step is going to be adding blush. Blush is super important because this is what's going to give us that very youthful, like we're not trying even though we're really trying type of vibe. So for this, I'm going to be taking this product. It's from Milk Makeup and it is a little roller stick blush. I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to pat this onto my cheekbones and into the bronzer. As you guys can see, a little bit of this product goes a long ways and it's really just going to give me that nice little oomph that I want. Oh, I love this blush. By the way, guys, this is the blush and it's in the shade Werk. Alrighty, the next step is going to be to contour my nose. And for this, I'll be picking up my Morphe 360 collaboration contouring brushes. And I normally skip this step, but I'm going to show you guys a very light, simple contour that you can rock just for school. So I'm picking up my MO brush. And once again, that same bronzer. I'm going to apply a little bit of that product onto the brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this to the bottom part of my nose just to kind of shorten it in length. Very fast and simple. And then on the corner of my eye, I'm just gonna drag a straight line down just to kind of add a little bit of shadow and dimension. On the other side as well. And I just love how this brush just kind of blends everything out and it makes it look very even and just very natural looking. So I'm just gonna go back and forth and kind of just blend out any harsh lines. Remember guys, if you want a very more in-depth video on how to use my nose contouring brushes, don't forget to click this link right over here where it says suggested videos and you can watch my in-depth video showing you step-by-step how to give yourself a little noggin. And then I'm gonna go into my KKW Beauty little highlighter palette. I'm gonna take this beautiful light shade from it and I'm just gonna add this to the tip of my nose to kind of make it look a little bit more lifted and give it more of that pop. Alrighty guys, so once we went ahead and we applied the little bit of highlighter, I'm going to go back into that beautiful champagne shade and I'm just going to add a little bit of that highlight right above where I put the blush and carry that onto my temple area, a little bit onto my forehead. Ooh. Alright guys, let me fix this. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish that highlighter. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well, just kind of carry it on my cupid's bow. So I'm gonna go back into that bronzer and I'm just gonna kind of warm up my eyelid a little bit. So I'm gonna be using a Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna go into that bronzer and just kind of apply it all over my lid as well as the crease. Just a little bit goes a long ways, just really warms it up. Give me that J-Lo glow. So just back and forth in windshield wiper movements. Just adding that warmth, guys. Very simple step. Alright guys, so once I went ahead and I kind of applied that shadow onto my lid, I'm going to go back into that same little cream blush from Milk Makeup. I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to apply this onto my lid to add more warmth to this look. Oh, I just love how subtle it is. It's so soft, so fierce. So I'm applying this onto my lid. Very simple. Once again, we're not using 1,000 products. We're reusing products and we're making them work for multiple usages. Alright Bear Fam, so we're actually going to go back into that bronzer really quickly and we're just going to kind of smoke that underneath our eye just to add a little bit more of that dimension. Ooh, so simple. Alright Bear Fam, so I'm going to quickly go off camera to finish off my eyebrows and when I return, we're going to finish off the last like 4 steps that is going to make us slay the first day of school. So watch out guys, because when I come back, it's on. Alright, Bear Fam, so now that I went ahead and I applied my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking a brand new product again. This is going to be the Climax NARS Mascara. It's my first time trying it, and I'm going to be using this bad boy to enhance my lashes. So the thing about our lashes is we don't want to wear falsies on the first day of school. We want to look effortless. We want to look naturally pretty. So we're going to go ahead and use a really good mascara that's going to give us that volume and just lift, lift, lift. So that is what we're doing with this. I'm just going to be applying a thin coat, loving the volume it's giving me on the other side as well. And then I'm going to be applying this onto my lower lashes. Alright, Bear Fam, so to keep this look very simple, we're going to go ahead and take our lip liner. This is in the shade Toasty from Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. Kind of rub it in with my finger, just so that it doesn't have any harsh lines to it. And then for the lipstick, I'm actually going to be going back into that blush, and I'm going to be applying this onto my lips to really just finish off this look. So going back into the Milk Makeup Blush, I'm going to rub a little on my finger, and I'm going to apply this onto my lips. Such a soft, pretty pink, and I feel like this blush literally can go anywhere. To top this makeup look off, I'm just going to take my JOUER clear gloss to kind of give my lips a little bit more enhancement. It's just a really clear, like juicy gloss that's just going to finish off this look. Give it that hydration. Ooh! Alright, Bear Fam, so this is the final look for my back to school makeup tutorial. Now, I really wanted to keep it fresh, simple, and I also wanted to use a couple of the products multiple times so that you guys can see how versatile it is to kind of just invest in one product and then use it for different things. So I hope all of you guys love this. I definitely feel like if you're rocking this makeup, you're gonna look fresh, youthful, and probably better than half the school. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to give this video a big ol' thumbs up if you guys are gonna rock this makeup to work, to school, to anywhere. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always, guys, hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of my Bear family in the next video. Bye, guys!